Clarifying confusions. Illicit versus illicit. Hello, language learners. Today, we're delving into the world of homonyms, specifically, illicit versus illicit. These two words sound incredibly similar but have very different meanings. So, let's clear up any confusion and make sure you use the right word in the right context. Remember, understanding the nuances between these homonyms can greatly enrich your English language skills. Elicit is a verb, and it means to bring out or draw out something that is latent or hidden. This could be an emotion, a response, or even information. For example, you might say, the teacher's question was designed to elicit thoughtful responses from the students. On the other hand, illicit is an adjective, describing something that is not allowed by law or rules. It's illegal or forbidden. For instance, the company was fined for its illicit disposal of chemical waste. A helpful way to remember the difference is to focus on the initial letter of each word. Illicit starts with an E, like extract or evoke, which can remind you of its meaning, to draw out or bring out something. Illicit, starting with an I, can remind you of illegal or inappropriate, resonating with its meaning, something forbidden or not allowed. Now, let's practice a bit to solidify your understanding. If I say, the detective was able to underscore a confession from the suspect, would we use illicit or illicit? Correct. The answer is illicit. The detective is drawing out information. How about this? The underscore activities of the gang were reported to the police. In this case, the correct word would be illicit, as the activities were illegal or not allowed. That wraps up our discussion on illicit versus illicit. Hopefully, this has clarified these commonly confused homonyms for you. Remember, the best way to master these is by consistent practice. So, keep reading, keep writing, and most importantly, keep learning. Until next time, happy language learning!